Hello there guys, my name is Marko. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today is going to be a vlog video because I'm going to go to the snow right about now. And I want to vlog it and I want to bring you guys along with me. So let's go.
I got some new feelings that make you uncomfortable. You bring out all the good in me, and I see what I'll never be. Cause I got me some reason to look on my keys in the car that we're taking home. So won't you say what you said to me on the roof of your house? Cause I've been having my doubts, oh yeah. Don't know what we could be. Sometimes I feel we're nothing, you talk like we're something. I guess now we're good.
Look at that. Look how snowy it looks. It's even snowing right now. You can actually see on my jacket. See that white little speckles? It's because it's snowing. Wow, this thing looks pretty cool.
Don't know what I feel. Remind me cause it feels so real. Yeah, I got to repeat that I want you and me. Pay no mind to what I'll ignore. Try not to live like I'm 17 cause you want what's under my skin. The door is open but I won't let me in.
Oh man, the snow, oh my god, it's so crazy right now. My hands literally are freaking cold, you know, but it looks amazing. Oh my god, the snow inside my shoe. That's crazy. I'm gonna put this camera away so we won't get snow.
So won't you say what you said to me on the roof of your house? Cause I've been having my doubts, oh yeah. Don't know what we...
Oh, hi. Right now I'm just pulling out the snow out of the way to kind of make it like a small little bit of a what's called walkway or something like that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm almost done. Alright guys, I got dressed, I got changed. I'm wearing these gloves, and these gloves are gloves that apparently you can use your smartphone with them. They kind of work. I feel like you really need to have them like extra small and really kind of tight on you. But look at this. Look at the truck. The truck is covered with snow. Look at that.
Sometimes I feel we're nothing, but you talk like we're something. I guess now we're giving it a try. I like the way you describe it to people who won't go quiet. Cause every day I'm reminded of all the descriptions I could make.
So I just made it to the lake. I'm gonna go ahead and take a lot of photos, pictures, and videos. So there's that.